Hi guys, my name's Marian. I'm a Jewish mom to 3 little boys, and my 2 older boys are heading off to sleepaway camp this summer for the first time. And that means a lot of packing for me. It is huge to send 2 boys off to camp. There is so much stuff that they need and so much that goes into the packing. It's pretty much going to be my full-time job for the next month, and I could not be more excited. I absolutely love packing. I love the anticipation. Sometimes it's as much fun as going on the trip. But unfortunately, I don't even get to go on this trip. The boys get to go and have their wonderful experience. My experience is getting them ready, making sure they have everything they need. So let's get started with that. I got a huge order in. This is all from Pack for Camp. They're a Jewish-owned business that specializes in sleepaway camp and everything you need. You can actually search by your camp and find exactly what you need on their site and just order it all in one place. They have great prices and high-quality items. I'll show you everything and unpack it with you guys, so let's jump in. So I promised I would be bringing you guys along for all the details of getting my kids ready for sleepaway camp, and this is the first real video all about it. Let's talk about the luggage. Each camp has different rules and restrictions. We're allowed to send 2 pieces of luggage. I like that this one is rolling because it helps me just like get it out of the house and into the car, from the car into the camp. The counselors are gonna help like move it to the bunk and everything like that, so it's not heavy for them, but the wheels are there, which I think is very helpful. It is soft-sided, so it can fit under their bed after they unpack it, and it is huge. I had to get 4 of these, 2 for each boy. In hindsight, I purposely waited for them to be able to go together, but having to get 2 kids ready for their first time at camp and get all this stuff is a little crazy. These can be personalized. I didn't feel the need to do that, but I love it if you do want to go that route. I do have lots of other personalized things, don't you worry. But yeah, I absolutely love the size and quality of this. I also invested in the ones without any wheels. My initial plan was to use these for sheets, towels, sleeping bags, things like that, and to keep their clothes and stuff in the bigger one. So for the sleeping bag, they use this on their last night after they're already packed up and ready to go home, and some ages have overnights and sleep outs, so they'll be using this for future years as well. The quality is really nice. It's very soft and warm, and I think they'll really appreciate having this on the cold nights. I am also sending them with regular bedding, sheets, a comforter, and all of that. So when we get into actually packing all of the things that need to go, I will show you what I've got for that. Okay, let's talk about the bunks. These are the favorite things that they ordered because we got to customize them. Pack for Camp actually has a ton of customized stuff on their website. It's all so fun. We did these like cushion chairs. Apparently kids use these a lot to like just hang out during quiet time and on their bunks. I think they'll make a lot of use out of this. And I let each of my boys just design what patterns they wanted. They're super cute, super cozy, and it's just nice to have like a personalized touch and something cozy with them. Okay, the laundry bags. Please comment below if you think my boys will actually put their dirty laundry in the laundry bag. We'll find out. I love that this one has a strap to hold it. It also has a tie close, which is really nice and convenient, and it's big. So at lots of sleepaway camps, they do laundry every week or every other week, so you definitely want to send them with a laundry bag for all those gross, dirty clothes. Packing cubes. Here are the packing cubes. I definitely will be using them. I'm not sure exactly what is going to go into a packing cube. I haven't totally gotten there yet, but I do love packing cubes for organization and know that I will be using them. Speaking of fun in the bunk, I love this little organizer. You tuck this part into the mattress, and then they can put their book, flashlight, whatever they need next to their bed, because it's not like they have a nightstand always. So I thought this was really convenient and cute and inexpensive. And yeah, just something nice for them to have next to the bunk. I might fill it with some little stickers, notes from home, pictures from home, things like that they can keep close to them at night. So that is my Pack for Camp haul. Thank you so much to Pack for Camp for helping me with this, and I have a discount code for you guys. It'll be down below, so definitely click that and check out everything they have. It's also a Jewish company, which is really nice to support. And yeah, I obviously need a lot of stuff to get them off to camp, so I'm excited to have started this process. If you have sent kids to sleepaway camp or overnight camp, please share your advice, especially as it regards to packing, but just in general, down below. I really appreciate it. it. Obviously, my memories are from a long time ago, and I'm sure things are very different. The boys are so excited, as am I, and I just hope it's a wonderful experience for them. And I hope packing is a wonderful experience for me. So this is the start, guys. Here's where we are. We've got the bags, the sleeping bags, the pillows, and I have a few things coming in the next video will be like more detailed stuff, the little things which are just as important to make sure you have all of it. So yeah, let's do this together. Let's get these boys off to camp. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.